It's like that feeling of when you arrive somewhere for the first time. You just don't know what it will behold. I remember that feeling of, going down that Highway 5 and thinking, what am I going to do? I heard all the people who run the food trucks who I'd been speaking with and had built relationships were all going to be in one place at one time, and that was at the McKinney Juneteenth event in the park. So I just went there, on a whim. I didn't really know what that would lead to. That then led me to more McKinney events. I took more photos. I was just trying to show the crowd as one, and that became one shape that kind of worked in a pretty interesting way. By accident, I just I saw a key image that really spoke to me, because all of a sudden it was about the community engaging with this concept in a way that is not fixated on identity. So, that kind of inspired everything. And in the background, I see all the crowd, I see the crowd of people, they're kind of out of focus. And I thought, okay, maybe I could do this. I know this mural, where it's located, is on the east side of McKinney. And the east side of McKinney's got its own legacy. I definitely wanted to consider that in the design process, and I started there thinking about growth, and I thought about what will it look like in this area. And of course that was a big consideration, particularly speaking to locals from the east side. So it kind of simplified it, but it was not simple in execution, and that has led to it being quite technical. I wanted to play with that depth. The idea of public space really, came together by showing perspective and depth. You use the silo structure to kind of show that when you stand over there or from Highway 5, you see that depth and you see yourself within a crowd. This being the entrance to the east side, it being a protective image that shows community and it shows strength and it shows power. And it is composed in the way that things will complement the shape, which is a big part of my artwork. As it traditionally was separated and divided by the highway, and now the center moves over here, I want the legacy of this mural to show that this is a space that everyone shares.